Hello everybody, welcome to Freddy's 10th anniversary special from the Hottest Dog. 41 minutes, that's what I'll start with. This is definitely the longest one out of all of them that he's done. Not the longest video the person's done before, but yeah. This is crazy, 41 minutes. Wow, look at everyone who worked on it. Oh hey JJ, Dirk B. Horse of course. Zarek. Oh cool, Giantbot's made an appearance. That's actually cool. Some cool little... I probably should have not looked at this, but yeah. Make sure to check out the original down below. This is going to be a long, very exciting little thing. It's also 4K. That's crazy. Yeah, let's just get into it, like, right now. Okay. Yep, watch at your own risk. Oh, well. Yeah. Okay. I have watched them, I just...
You can always call me on your fast
delivery for Glam Rock Freddy.
I haven't watched it in a while though, so I might be
It's a
rusty.
letter from Fazbear Entertainment.
Oh, I remember this.
Wait,
Kinda.
what's that?
Oh,
Let me get that for you.
I don't know. Yeah,
I am so sorry.
I'm so sorry. Ouch. That hurt. Nothing. To the background. Dude.
Dear Scott Cawthon IPs, from Five Nights at Freddy's 1 through Security Breach. Even the book characters.
Oh.
You have been cordially invited to Freddy's Fazbear for the 8th anniversary bash to celebrate. He hopes for your attendance.
We'll
as
work
unlike
for
the
Faz.
others, you are an essential part of this franchise. It wouldn't be the same without
All the characters. There's just a lot of them.
Make sure to put that in every letter. Remember, this month. Hope to see all of your friendly faces at the celebration. Reminder that all humans are strictly prohibited.
Ah, shit. Okay. Oh, Gregory. Oh. Is he right? Yeah, I'm out here. No, oh, he got thrown. Yeah. I thought that's all. Trying your hardest there. And then they all turn on each other. Yep. Hat. Yeah, I could really press the end. Like I really should have just checked out at least the last couple before I watch this. I feel like, but it is what it is.
Eating is both a blessing.
Eating is both a blessing and a curse. That's one way to put it.
About time. It felt like I was waiting out here for 2 years. It better not be cold.
Could be. I don't know. I'll say I like how they show how the reflection is being shown in the floor.
Is this a part of the show? Scaring that kid every night in his bedroom was more entertaining than this. What was his name again?
Yeah, I'm out. See you on the flip side, everybody.
By Foxy.
The door is locked.
Foxy.
What?
Foxy. Foxy,
Behind
behind
you.
you.
Behind me? The door is behind me.
Just
No.
look. Oh my god,
Bonnie,
Foxy.
do you have
Foxy.
short-term memory loss?
Foxy, you big stupid
The
pirate.
door is still
For the love
locked.
of God, just turn around.
Why are you
Open the
shouting?
door. Yeah, open. Now he realizes.
Oh my god!
Yeah. Taco. Oh. Shit. Oh. Uh-oh.
Don't touch me! I have money! Oh, but don't touch that either! Don't touch me!
No, don't.
That'll teach him.
I'll teach him. Yep. Fire extinguishers? I don't know. Why did you think that, Chico? Boom. God, these references, I love it. Hang in there. This is all
It's absolute chaos and ruin out there.
Is it now?
They're everywhere,
I was.
Fazbear. We're not getting out of here anytime soon.
But why?
They'll find you eventually. Just like they found me.
Oh shit. Yeah. Oh. God damn. I like these characters I've definitely seen. Can't remember their names. I don't remember names very well in this series. I remember mostly the mains. Most of them anyway. Glamrock is finally waking up, but Gregory is not there.
Gregory? Gregory?
Yeah, Gregory's not there.
Gregory!
Oh boy, of course, duns. Oh shit. Oh, thank you. Pizza. Are you again? What are you doing? Come with me. Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah, now you kind of forced to go. The ball pit. No. That shot. This way. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I'm confused. I don't know. Sometime later. The freaking pots.
What's the deal with this franchise? There are so many
Forgottens,
characters,
don't lie.
sometimes I
You just
forget my
remembered
own
we.
name.
You maybe just
What a
remembered
life to
we
be
exist.
Freddys Fazbear, the face of the franchise.
Fair,
But
I
he's
guess.
left to be the main antagonist in a game. If I get at least one last in
Shadow Freddy? I don't know.
Who is this? Who's this?
Glad to see you back again.
The freaking bell. Yeah.
What's his problem?
Sorry.
He's been like this for a while, mumbling out finding some kid.
Isn't he the one who wanted to go back up there to the hellhole?
Yep. Mr. Popular thinks he's got what it takes to take on whatever's up there.
Maybe.
Talk about an ego problem.
Damn. Dude, that was a long call for.
I am terribly sorry.
He said the same thing.
I
Like he
miss
did.
him.
Yeah, he
It's all
misses
good.
Gregory.
That's the most anyone's paid attention to me in this franchise. Hell,
Damn.
I don't even have a real voice. I'll
Yeah.
take whatever I can get.
You know, if you were really thinking about going up there, I heard someone down here knows something.
Oh, really?
William, I think. He should be somewhere around
Oh,
here.
shoot.
That is great news.
Yeah, fuck.
So, like, why?
There you are.
Freaking Willie
Oh,
Madison.
Freddy.
I love the little, like...
So,
was like a...
there is
I'm
a
not
vent.
helping you find the kid.
Why?
Why not?
Because I really don't think anyone's still alive out there. Last time I poked my head into the bald pit, it was dead silence. Besides these freaks, it's just me and you, Fazbear.
Damn.
No one else could have.
Wait. Marionette? Oh my god, the freak...
Of course.
That is
I
this.
know who that is.
She can help.
I know she.
Maybe.
Look. We don't really see eye to eye. I won't be able to convince her to help us, considering the fact that one night outside of Freddy's I might have caused her untimely death, and you're not here anymore.
No, he just left. Meow.
Oi,
Oi?
you can't be out here after hours. What if it started
But
to
why?
rain? I thought you would have learned from last time.
How about you leave me alone?
I would like to rescind my comment.
Look, I would like to resend it. My comment is always... He's like, I regret my decisions. I'll just crash.
Now.
Oh.
I'm not in the mood for conversation.
I apologize.
Oh, Freddy. I didn't know you made it.
Oh.
I'm sorry. It's just so much has happened.
How unfortunate.
Very.
Hold on.
What now?
I have something for you.
Oh my god.
Theodore! I can't believe you found him. I used to play with him all the time, with Stanley and Ella and...
You sure collected a lot of toys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Freddy.
Perhaps we can do something to stop whatever is going on here.
Whatever is up there, it's not a lost soul. Not even a vengeful one. It's pure AI. It has no remorse, no sympathy, no anything.
It feels
Just
nothing.
copies whatever it sees.
It's
I
just a
don't think I'd be
copy
able to
and
help.
a mean copy.
But
And,
I can.
Oh my god.
I'm not even
Freaking...
going to acknowledge you with a response.
By
Yeah.
responding to me, you just did. So,
Technically, yes.
I heard you say that you heard one of the Endos copying somebody?
Basically. That's what it sounded like. She's still not gonna respond to you.
Well, that sounds like something a Mimic program might do. Fazbear
yeah,
Entertainment used to make them back in the day. If we could just find where the Mimic program was activated, we can go into the program and shut it down.
Maybe.
Why should we trust you at all?
In case you
Fair.
forgot, I owned Fazbear Entertainment, so I think I know what I'm talking about.
Co-owned Fazbear Entertainment? My dad kicked you out.
I mean, you were dead, so how do you know?
Damn.
Gee, I
That's
wonder why
harsh.
I was dead.
Yeah, I wonder.
Freddy, I don't know about this.
I'm the only one who knows how the mimic works.
He's trying to talk.
Without me, you ain't coming back.
I saw that character in the background.
I want nothing to do with him when this is over.
Okay. She's like, we'll go with it. Just we got balloon boy and the little things
So,
from
the showroom is probably flooded with windows, so here's the ball pit that leads to the basement.
Sorry, out of order. I seen.
If you need anything,
the statue.
please don't ask. I don't have a death wish.
Let us go.
Dad, let us go.
This area is off limits.
Oh my God, son.
Get in trouble.
Oh,
This guy knows the crying child's name.
No, I would
I would never.
I love my nameless child.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you're right. I do.
Yeah. Of course you don't. You don't feel remorse. Fredbear's Family Diner. But yeah, now they're on the other side, the ball pit. I'm trying to explore out here.
Huh. It's really quiet.
Very.
You'd think there'd still be some endos down here.
That
Maybe.
should be a good thing. Don't know why you're complaining.
Can you just
Wow.
shut up?
Yeah, to its yeah. Huh? Interesting.
I am not.
Oh my God.
Follow me.
Yeah, like that's always ended well.
I didn't even do that to you. I murdered you in a back alley. Now come on.
Oh no.
Thanks for the reminder. I almost forgot.
That ain't good. And yeah. Oh, she's turning around to look.
It was Chica's.
Yep, it was. I could tell it was Chica's. I was like, I think it is. Something going on in there. Oh, jeez, Chica. Damn, man. Oh, shit. Wait a minute. Isn't that the one from... I think it's... Joy Creation? I might be wrong. I don't know, it looks kind of like that one. But yeah, that Freddy... Pineapple Pizza Pirates Music Legends? Is that what that said? Or something like that. Lights are on. Oh, something going on. Oh wow, even the security breach
Alright,
thing.
let's get this over with before the program knows we're here.
Let us end this.
We'll see.
Those arcade cabinets might be it. Maybe we'll have to play them in order to unlock the...
Charlie, that's stupid. I can't think of anything more
Wow.
ridiculous than that.
Over here.
The disrespect. Jesus. Yeah.
What an interesting system.
Yeah.
You want to go in, Freddy? You're the strongest after all.
Oh, like put it on? Is that what? I don't know. He's like, not of approval. He's
This
like,
is
yeah.
your decision.
Alright then. Me and you will guard him in case the mimic tries to break in. I don't know how stable this system is, so don't touch anything. You don't want to get stuck in whatever information the program's mimicked so far. Just find the heart and kill it.
Okay.
Go get him, superstar. Maybe your kid will be in there.
Maybe.
Yeah. Maybe if he's a robot, he'll be there. Or dead.
Wow.
That's
Jeez.
not funny.
Interesting. Oh. Just... Oh, derpy horse. Nice. Oh, and suddenly he's... Okay. Oh, I like that. It's like from Natural. From like Natural. Oh. Oh my god, all the songs around. All the references to different songs. Markiplier, Doggo. Oh yeah, those little Freddy, the little on tour things they did for around that. I think that's SMG4, the one right there.
I don't even know what.
The puppet.
Shut up, chicken.
Oh my god. Wow. Oh hey, Pymations, I believe is what that one's from. That. Wow, I love this. Like, I just love all these references. Oh, and that song too. The reference to freaking Map being in the... Jeez, man.
That's a satisfying answer. I think that's really funny. Leave right now. Right now, I'm currently sitting, so you know.
Oh god, it's like a YTP. It's like so. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, that's why they're both there, because they both worked on it. Now it's just back to the hottest dog. Like from the film. Oh my, literally from the movie. Oh well, and same with Natural and with Connors. That's cool. Then it just stops literally just short of him. They're like, what's going on? Why is it not working? The cupcake. It seriously plugged it out. She's like, here we go again. Oh. Wait. He goes. Oh, that's neat. He's in an arcade machine. That's pretty cool, actually.
Why, hello there.
Purple guy. Hi, hello there. Oh my god, man. Oh, one of the books right there.
Leave me like this.
I love the plush. Oh, that one.
Sorry, I'm late to the party.
The FNAF like cartoon.
Now I'm going to kick your ass.
Wow. Damn. Pizza. Ha! Oh, great. F. Breaking news.
Hello, citizens Manhattan. My
Sup,
name is Johnny,
Johnny
and the city is being
Blocks.
taken over by sentient Plushy. The president has just issued an
Markiplier.
emergency demanding Fazbear Entertainment recall all of their Plushy. The price
Wow.
of the Faz coin continues to drop as the Plushies invade further past the tri-state area. The 5 missing kids has gone to like the 500 missing kids as people continue to lose their lives to the
It's like
Plushy invade.
Godzilla
All
right
the
there.
kids are gone missing.
What not?
No
King
one's safe
Kong.
anymore. Am I not safe?
Yeah. Please stand by. Oh, jeez. Uh-oh. Yep. Damn, man. The pizza. That kind of looks like Bonnie. Over here. Yep. Great. Now he's after. Oh god. Oh, I like that. Wait. Kinda. This is like. That's like South. That kind of reminded me of South Park, actually. Is he back in over here? All the plushes up there. See a couple.
In this video, we're going to be talking about how the Mimic is actually the puppet. And Freddy, get back here. Come on.
Get back here.
Okay. The Mimic is actually all of the Nightmare-ion plushies stacked together, melted together into one physical form. It's just a big chunk of Nightmare-ion. Freddy, get back here. Get back. It's not that bad.
I just want to go.
It's not that. Stop. It's not that bad. Get back here. Okay. So the Mimic
okay.
is all the Nightmare-ion plushies. And Freddy?
I did not.
Freddy, I need you to stay with me. Stay with me, Freddy. Stay with me. Okay. So the Mimic.
He's gone.
Not see you.
Oh no. Oh. Dreadbear. Let's pause. What's happening here? Yep, of course. Don't you dare. Damn. Yikes. Oh, jeez, man. She's like, no, don't you dare. He's like, you really want this?
Can't hold it much longer.
Oh yeah. Oh no. What now? No. Oh, thank you. Still have 14. Oh shit. Jazz Pag, I don't know. That's and the hottest dog again. Sorry if I said that name wrong. A crate or a chest, either or. Basically the same thing, so yeah. Take a knee. Uh-oh. What is it? Oh. Oh. That's interesting. MSES. I think that's probably from something. I don't. Like I said, I wish I followed more of this stuff. I just don't know much. Startup. I mean, it worked. Oh. Uh-oh. I'm so tired. It's late. I kind of wish I just kind of did this in the morning, but it is what it is. I just did it now. Is this all really worth it? I have everything I need. You've already lost. Although I like sympathy, I'll throw you a bone. If you take off the mask, I'll help you locate the kid and you can both leave unharmed. Is there a catch though? That's the thing. No, he has his fingers. He did that with his fingers. He's lying. And Freddy knows it too. He's just like, I'm just gonna walk away. Yeah, don't. Oh God. Yeah. Bye-bye. That's great. Oh. Fancy little solid right there. Blood. Who did that? Was it him? He's like, come. Was he just trying to say, like, come with me or something? Instead of just trying to go through the door? Oh. What's in there? What's in there? Oh, it's kind of like... It's like a glow stick, too. It's all dark. Jeez, man.
No.
God damn it. I just stopped too hard. Sorry, once again. Oh no. Oh, he's starting to. It's been paused again. And then the blue screen. Uh-oh. Now they're starting to bug out because of that. They're breaking down. Because, yeah, he destroyed the heart. So, yeah, they should all be... No, he's still starting to act up. God damn it. Is he gonna come through there?
Now's our chance, come on!
I'm just loving the songs. I thought it's supposedly been Hottest Dog mostly animating. This is insane. Okay, we're down to the last like 8 minutes.
You
freaking
stupid kids. Stupid and stupid in death.
What?
Damn,
Why are you copying him?
Yeah, why?
Like so many of us.
Fucking mimic, dude. Wow, man. And like from like go over this like
Damn buggy program.
William.
Indeed.
Why did it say that?
Yeah, why?
Why was it wearing your suit?
That's the thing. Why was it? I didn't think about that, but yeah, why was he? Huh. Shit. No.
Did you really think I was behind this?
Oh my god.
Mimic got the others. I'm
Why?
killing you again.
Friggin' karma hitting you at its best right there. Maybe not. Jesus Christ. What? Oh, he woke up. He's finally out of the thing.
I'm the only one who knows how the mimic works. Without me, you ain't coming back. Just find the heart and kill it.
That cannot be a coincidence.
Yeah, that is weird that he kind of knew exactly what to do, but yeah, he went. I guess he just never wanted to do it himself, I feel like, but since he got Freddy to do it, he has a reason now to do something. No. Oh, Marina. Jeez, man. And then all basically the faces / mask of the others. Fucking Afghan. Wait. The fuck? No. What? The Dream Theory? The fucking plushes? Again, there's so many plushes and like references to all this. I love it.
Gregory.
Oh, jeez. Was this seriously like a dream?
That is a relief.
It can't be that easy, right? That's nice.
Special delivery.
No. Deny it. Wow, are you serious? That happened before? Wow, man, that is something I did not expect. The modeler. Those are insane, I will give that. Bitch. I do like those too. Everyone worked on it. Yeah, the AR scene is really cool. I loved all the references, like everything in it, like all the little music videos and everything. Yeah. It's like an instrumental version of Five Nights at Freddy's. But now, Eva, Fuzzy, and Marionette. No, Freddy is himself. Deandra, Janae, Daco Chica. Yeah, the Daco Chica. Freaking Taco. That'd be really, yeah, weathered. Okay. Nightmare. Oh, that's who. Wow. Okay, that's cool. Blue G. Blue JR. Nightmare artist. Helpy. Yeah. Helpy. That's what it was. Snartles. Yeah. That's helpful. Zarek, yeah. bit in Five Nights at Freddy's, right? I like the... Yep. That's cool. Just seeing the little behind the scenes right there, it's just FNAF. I've definitely seen that guy before. I don't think I've watched him before, but I've definitely sat bosses and stuff. They all died. Not surprised. Jeez, man. Still like that. You probably want to pause here. These 10 years go by, so if you stand, I'm gonna pause. Sorry. If you stand back and take a look where this franchise was 10 years and where is it now, we're truly honest, for better or for worse. I am confident that FNAF will continue to grow and inspire generations to come, and it always has for us. FNAF has helped me through some of the worst moments of my life. I owe so much to this franchise. It's gone, especially all of you. I forever be grateful for the friends I've made and for creating a positive impact on people, and whatever I do next, I'll never forget the bear that motivated me to do what I love most. That's just awesome. And then to thank you all. It did go by pretty fast too, which is crazy. And then, oh, thank you, bye. And then just like that, there's the end of it, man. Wow. Oh, the hat. Wow, though. That's... Wow, man. That's crazy. Yeah, that's the thing. I did see that. I had much bigger. However, that would have taken me another 3 months. That's funny. Yeah, this is still really good despite this not being technically the ending how he wanted it, how they wanted it at first. But honestly, with what TheHottest was able to do, he did really well with it still. Like, he did a really good job. Everyone that worked on this did a really cool job. Just everyone in general just did a great job on this. And I am just like, wow, 41 minutes. And then freaking the 8th basically almost being, this is basically, yeah, if you saw the beginning right here. Oh yeah, I noticed that, like, it kind of shows a little flashback. Oh my god, though, that's, so this happened before the 8th? Is that what it was saying at the end right here? That's kind of what I got from it. I'm like, wow, really? Oh, there's so much to go into it. It's crazy, though. Like, wow. Thanks for watching this out, though. I'm sure leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications to miss out any videos. Thanks for support. And besides, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.